Hello traders, my name is Mauricio Larios and I'm a retail trader who has actively been stock trading since 2016. Over those years, I have grown several small $2,000 trading accounts into larger investment accounts. I have found an edge in the market to make me consistently profitable. I share my personal strategies, trading techniques, and watch list on my channel for educational purposes. However, I am not your financial advisor. Nothing in my videos is a recommendation to invest or trade. In this video, I will show you an often overlooked feature of TD Ameritrade's ThinkorSwim trading platform. I will demonstrate how to set up an order template to instantly create bracket orders upon order entry to assist in trapping profit and managing risk. If you appreciate the content and account transparency and would like to follow my progress as I grow this account, please consider subscribing and selecting the bell icon to be notified when I upload a video. Subscribing is free and helps support this channel. First of all, if you're wondering why the cat in the thumbnail, watch until the end for a short backstory. Now for today's topic, how to set up a template for instant bracket orders upon order entry. Once you have logged into your trading platform, you'll need to start off by making sure you have selected the chart or trade tab. Since the market is closed at the time of this recording, I will be using the OnDemand feature for this tutorial. The OnDemand tab allows you to replay your selected stock's price action. This is helpful for practicing order entries, timing, or backtesting a specific trading system on simulated trades. Although you can set regular bracket orders through on-demand simulated trading, you may not be able to set bracket orders with a template on simulated trading. The order template brackets only work for me on live trading. I will use the magic of editing to show you how it would work on live trading. Once you've opened the chart or trade tab, you'll want to set the date and time to the recorded market session you want to use. Then you can enter a ticker symbol to practice trading. I know on October 6th, VYGR hit my gap up stock scanner. We'll use VYGR for our example and enter it as our ticker symbol. I could see on the daily chart it had a history of running up, its current price was down near historic lows, and had short squeeze potential. If you want your platform to look like mine, please see the video link in the description. VYGR had a positive news catalyst. The newsfeed stated, Voyager Therapeutics announces license option agreement with Pfizer for next-generation tracer technology. In the following days, it continued to hold support around $3.70. We'll use that price level as our entry. The last low was about 20 cents away. The $3.50 level will be our stop loss area. We'll risk $120. 120 divided by 20 cents equals 600 shares. 600 will be our share size. Next, you want to make sure you have your Active Trader tab selected. I will expand the Active Trader tab to make it easier to view. If you do not see an order template menu, click on the greater than symbol to display the order template drop-down menu. By default, the order template will be set to single for a single order. You'll want to change that to TRG with bracket or trigger with bracket. Once you have selected trigger with bracket, you'll see the customizable template appear. Here you adjust your target to stop spread as needed. You can also change the order type and time in force. I'll change mine to GTC or good to cancel. Otherwise, if left on day, and the price action ever gets to the target or stop during that given day, the bracket order will expire and erase. Once you've customized your template, you can save it by hitting the save symbol on the left. In order for your trade to execute with a confirmation prompt, you want to make sure the auto send box is checkmarked. Now we'll adjust the time to see how our trade works out throughout the day. By 6:35 a.m., we entered our trade. At 11:35 a.m., our trade starts to pull back. We'll adjust our stop to the 9 exponential moving average to secure profit. At 12:35 a.m., the price action has begun testing the sell zone and the standard error channel. We'll adjust our sell order to this zone. Here you have it, an example of a well-executed trade. I wish I had traded VYGR that same day on my live trading account. I had an entry at 375 on its first catalyst day, a couple days before its big run, and made $159.96. However, this was good practice. Next time you have a fast-moving stock, you'll have this order template available. It is my go-to tool when trading short squeezes, circuit halt breakers, and low-flow catalyst plays. It is important to note, since extended hours order entries require you to change the time in force prior to entry, this order template will only work during regular market hours. Now that you've saved and created the order template, you simply select it on the drop-down menu before trading, and it'll be ready for a trigger. Once you buy, It'll execute the bracket orders upon entry. Now about the cat in the thumbnail. That is our family cat named Sabre. He is the inspiration for this video and my next series of videos on fast money trading tips. As a trader, much like a cat, I often lie in wait, stalk my trades, and go after them aggressively when the right opportunity presents itself. In this series of videos, I will go over strategies and tips that I believe have contributed to my overall consistency and profits. So if the topic of fast money interests you, look for Sabre in the thumbnail. My wife and I decided to take some of last year's trading profits and adopted him for our 2 kids. My wife and I had experience raising another Bengal kitten, Shadow, into his senior years until he passed away from kidney failure. As soon as we were ready for another high-energy cat, we looked into getting another kitten. Sabre spends most of his waking hours play hunting. When he is not playing, he is napping in the most awkward positions. You might see him again in future fast money videos. That does it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, you can support this channel by hitting that like button, subscribing, or picking up some merchandise at the Trade Profit storefront at Teespring through the link in my description. As always, best of luck in your trading. Remember, together we can find the trade, manage the risk to make the trade profit. Thanks for watching.